As 2.3, find 1/4 of 1/4, 1/4 of 3/5, 1/4 of 4 by 3. So let us start. First one, A, 1/4 of 1/4. 1/4 multiply by 1/4. As I told you, in place of you have to put multiple sign. Then 1 into 1 and 4 into 4. 1 into 1 gives 1 and 4 into 4 gives 16. Then question number B, 1/4 of 3/5. So dear student, put multiple sign, then multiply 1 into 3 and 4 into 5. 1 3s are 3 only and 4 5s are 20. Here also not possible to reduce. Then 1/4 of 4 by 3. 1/4, put multiple sign, don't do direct cancellation. 1 into 4 and 4 into 3. 1 4s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Here also possible to reduce, but how to reduce? See, here I know that 12 is divisible by 4 and 4 is also divisible by 4. So 4 divide 4 and 12 divide 4. So 4 divide 4 gives 1 and 12 divide 4 gives 3. This is how you have to do working. Now let us do the second one, that is 1/7. First one, 1/7 of 2 by 9. 1/7 of 2 by 9. 1/7 multiply by 2 by 9. So 1 2s are and 7 9s are. 1 2s are 2, 7 9s are 63. Then 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. So 1/7 into 6 by 5. 1 into 6, 7 into 5. Then 1 6 are 6, 7 5 are 35. Yet not possible to reduce. Then C, 1/7 of 3 by 10. 1/7 into 3 by 10. 1 into 3, 7 into 10. 1 3s are 3, 7 10s are 70. Here also not possible to reduce. This is how you have to do the working. And let us do question number 2, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Dear student, first you need to multiply both the value. Then if it is possible, you have to convert it into a lowest form. So let us start. First one, it is given 2 by 3, multiply by 2 integer 2 by 3. So first you need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Write down 2 by 3 as it is, multiply, convert it. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. Then you need to multiply 2 into 8, 3 into 3. 2 8s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. Here dear student, no common factor, so not possible to reduce. Then next one, 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. So 2 into 7, 7 by 9. Don't do direct cancellation. First you need to multiply. 2 7s are 14, 7 9s are 63. So dear student, here the common factor is 7. Both value is possible to reduce by 7. So both value you have to divide it by 7. So 7 2s are and 7 9s are. Here 3 into 6, 8 into 4. Here also we can do cancellation, but not to do, you have to show method. 3 6 are 18, 8 4s are 32. Now dear student, here it is possible to reduce both the value by 2. So first you reduce by 2. So 18 divides 2 gives 9 and 32 divides 2 gives 16, and see whether it is possible or not possible. So write down as it is. Then next one is 9 3s are. So 9 3s are and 5 5s are. 9 3s are 27 and 5 5s are 25. Here also not possible to reduce. Next one, 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Here 3 5s are 15 possible. So first you multiply. 15 ones are 15. 3 8s are 24. Both value possible to divide by 3. So put divide by 3. 15 divide 3 gives 5 and 24 divide 3 gives 8. Then 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. So 11 3s are and 2 10s are. Here nothing is possible to cancel. So 11 3s are 33 and 2 10s are 20. This is how we got our value. Then 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. So 4 12s are 48 and 7 5s are 35. This is how you have to do. See whether it is possible to do cancellation or not possible. Let us start question number 3. Multiply the following fraction. Multiply and reduce the product to lowest form if possible. Tell whether the fraction obtained is proper or improper. If the fraction obtained is improper, then convert it into a mixed fraction. Now dear student, first we have to multiply the value. Then if it is possible, then reduce it into a lowest form. Then after reducing, we have to state whether it is proper fraction or improper fraction. And if it is improper fraction, we have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So let us start. Here it is given 2 by 5 into 5 integer 1 by 4. So 2 by 5 means as it is here to write, convert this value. 5 integer 1 by 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. Let us do it over here. Multiply it. 2 into 21, 5 into 4. It gives 2 21s are 42 and 4 5s are 20. Now dear students, here it is possible to reduce both the value by 2. So divide both the value by 2. Now the value you are getting is 42 divided 2 gives 21 and 20 divided 2 gives 10. Now further it is not possible to reduce. Now dear student, here you have to tell whether what kind of fraction it is. 21 by 10 is improper fraction. Then convert the improper into mixed fraction. The value is no need to divide also. 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 is mixed fraction. Then next one, 6 integer 2 by 5 multiply by 7 by 9. So convert this value. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Multiply 32 into 7. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 is 22. 9 5s are 45. Now dear student, it is an improper fraction. Now what you need to do is see whether it is possible to reduce. No, not possible. Now write down 2 to 4 by 45 is improper fraction. After that, to convert it into mixed fraction, you have to divide the value first. Divide by 45. Now 45, let us check. 45 5s are 25 to carry. 4 5s are 20, 22, not 45 4s are 4 5s are 20 to carry. 4 5s are 16, 17, 18. So 45 4s are 180. Now 22 minus 18 is 4. So what you will write, 45 whatever value in denominator and whatever portion you have to write it over here, and the remainder value you have to write over here. So 4 integer 44 by 45 is mixed fraction. Now dear student, last sum, that is 3 by 2 into 5 integer 1 by 3 by 2 as it is. If I have 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. Then you need to multiply 3 into 16 and 2 into 3. Now multiply it. 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 1 are 3 plus 1 4, 2 3 are 6. Now dear student, this 48 by 6, both value is possible to reduce by 6 because 6 is a 48. So what you will do, 48 you have to divide by 6 and 6 you have to divide by 6, so that 48 divide 6 gives 6 8 and 1. Now dear student, this is what kind of fraction? This is a whole fraction, so no need to convert it into a mixed fraction. Sum number 4, 5 by 6 into 2 integer 3 by 7. 5 by 6 converted to integer 3 by 7, that is 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 3, 17 by 7. Now multiplied 5 17s are. So 5 17 you have to multiply and 6 7s are. 5 17s are 7, 5s are 35, 3 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8, 6 7s are 42. Now dear student, here not possible to reduce. Now 85 by 42 is improper fraction, that is improper fraction. Now convert this improper into mixed fraction. Now how to convert? Divide. 85 divide by 42. Now 42 2s are 42 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 84. So 42 2s are 84, remainder 1. What we will write? 42 as it is, as I told you in denominator. 42 2s are 84 plus 1 gives 85. That is improper, that converted improper fraction converted into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Now second one, convert this. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 17 by 5, 4 by 7, multiply it. 17 4s are 7, 4s are 4 7s are 28, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 68, 7 5s are 35. Here also not possible to reduce. Now dear student, first you write down this value as improper fraction, then convert this improper into mixed fraction. Now divide it over here. 35 to the 70 not possible, the 35 ones are 35, 33. So what we will write over here? 35 as denominator, 35 ones are 35 plus 33 gives 68, that is mixed fraction. Next, now 2 5s are 10, 2 integer 3 by 5 into 3. So 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 5, and 3 into nothing is other, taking 1. 13 3s are 39, divide 5. Now this you can consider, here it is possible to reduce, not possible. So directly you write down as improper fraction. Dear student, you should know which fraction are improper fraction. Whose numerator are greater than denominator is known as improper fraction. Such fraction is considered to be improper fraction. Now you have to convert it. No need to divide also, very easy. So what you will do? 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 4, 39 is mixed fraction. Then 3 integer 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. So convert it. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 4. 21 plus 4, 25 by 7. Then multiply by 3 by 5. Now multiply 25 3s are and 7 5s are. Now let us do it over here. 25 3s are how much? 75, and 7 5s are 35. Dear student, here both the value is divisible by 5, that is numerator and denominator. Just divide it. Now 5, after dividing you will get 35 divided by 5 is 7 and 75 divided by 5. So how much you will get? 15. Now this value is your improper fraction. So write it over here. 15 by 7 improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 is mixed fraction. Which is greater, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. You have to find the value first, then we have to decide which one is greater. Let us find first one. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Of means, as I told you, you have to put multiple sign. Then multiply it. 2 3s are and 7 4s are. 2 3s are 6, 7 4s are 28. Both the value is possible to divide by 2. Common factor is 2. If you can't able to find, just check it over here which value is possible to reduce. 2 2s are 4. That is why I found. Now 6 divided 2 gives 3 and 20 divides 2 gives 14. My first value I got 3 by 14. Now let us find the value of second one. Now 3 by 5 multiply by 5 by 8, then 3 5s are and 5 8s are. Don't do direct cancellation. 3 5s are 15, 8 5s are 40. Both the value divided by 5. Possible to divide by 5. I found common factor. See here, from here I found 5. So 15 divided 5 is 3 and 40 divided 5 is 8. Now dear student, here before comparing means to find out which one is greater, we need to find the LCM between two fraction to equalize the denominator. But here in this case value in numerator are equal. In both the fraction numerators are equal. That means the fraction which has smaller denominator is greater. That means what? Between the two fractions, the denominator which is smaller is greater. So first you have to write statement here. In both the fraction have equal numerator. Therefore, the fraction having smaller denominator is greater. That means what? 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. That means what? 3 by 8? 3 by 8 means this value. So 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14 means this value. Greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Now let us do next one. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7, which is equals to 1 by 2 in place of put multiple sign. 1 6 are and 2 7s are. 1 6 are 6, 2 7s are 14. Both the value possible to reduce by 2. No other common factor. 2 3s are 6 divided 2 gives 3. 14 divided 2 gives 7. Then 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 2 by 3 multiple 7, 3 by 7. 2 3s are and 3 7s are. Don't do direct cancellation. 2 3s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Now dear student, here also possible 3 and 3. So common factor I found 3. Divide both the value by 3. So 6 divide 3 gives 2. 21 divides 3 gives 7. Dear student, before finding LCM, let's check their numerator and denominator both value. Here numerator are different, but denominator are same. So again, no need to find LCM. Here the denominator whose value are same. So you have to see the numerator whose value is greater, having greater fraction. So what you will write here, the fraction here, fraction having same denominator, therefore the fraction having greater numerator is greater. Here the fractions having same denominator. Now that means 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. No need to find fraction. The greater the numerator, greater the value, greater the fraction. So 3 by 7 means you have to write this value, that is 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Let us do question number 5. Sally plant 4 saplings in a row in a garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3/4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Now dear student, Sally used to plant 4 saplings in a row. So let us take, that is sapling A, B, C as a B, C, D as a 4 sapling in a row. Now the distance between each sapling is 3/4 meter. So from sapling A to sapling B, the distance is of 3/4 meter. Sapling B to sapling C is of 3/4 meter. Sapling C to sapling D is of 3/4 meter. Now find the distance between first and the last sapling. We need to find the distance from sapling A to sapling D. So let us start. The distance, first you write down the distance between two adjacent sapling equals to 3/4 meter, which is given 3/4 meter. Sapling A to B, that is sapling A to B 3/4 meter, sapling B to C 3/4 meter, sapling C to D 3/4 meter. So we can say that distance between all the two adjacent saplings are equal. That is AB, the distance of A to B, sapling B to C equals to C to D. All are equal. The distance between all the saplings are equal. Now find the distance between first and last sapling. Distance between first and last sapling, that is A to D, sapling A to D. So we have to find the distance of AD. So AD, further the distance from A to D is what? Distance from A to D is what? Is equals to sapling A to B plus sapling B to C plus sapling C to D. Now here we found that the distance between all the saplings are equal. So why not we write in place of BC we can write AB. Why? Because the distance between all the saplings are equal. So in place of BC we can write AB, or in place of CD we can write AB. You can write everywhere BC, 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 or CD, CD, CD. Now The distance of AB, that is A to B, is 3/4 meter. So write down 3/4 meter everywhere. So you will find 3 plus 3 plus 3. Common factor is 4. So you will find 9/4 meter. Now dear student, possible to convert, or you can convert. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 2 integer 1/4 meter. That means the distance between first and last sapling is 2 integer 1/4 meter. Number 6. Lipika reads a book for 1 integer 3/4 hour every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Now dear student, it's very simple. If she used to read the book for 1 integer 3/4 hour and she used to take 6 days, so in all how many hours she used to take, that only we have to find. Now let us see. It's very simple. What we will do, total hours taken by Lipika to read entire book in 6 days. If she used to read book for 1 integer 3/4 hour and she read the book for 6 days. So very simple. So therefore what you will do, first you convert it, just you multiply the book read by her every day, multiply by 6 number of days. So first you convert it. 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 3 7 by 4 into 6 by 1. Now very simple, you just convert it. 7 6 are 42 by 4. It is possible to reduce, so both value you have to divide it by 2, that is 21 by 2. Now dear student, here we found the fraction. If it is possible, you can convert into mixed fraction. So 2 10s are 20, 20 plus 1 21. So she used to take 10 hours, 10 integer 1/2, that is 10 hour, 10 and half hour she used to take. Let us do question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3/4 liter of petrol? Now dear student, if a car used to run 16 km in 1 liter, means its average also given, it's run 16 km per liter. Then how much distance it will cover? How much distance it will cover using 2 integer 3/4 liter of petrol? So in 1 liter it used to run 16 km. So that means very simple, you just need to multiply the 16 with whatever number of petrol it has. So write down, therefore distance covered in 2 integer 3/4 liters of petrol. That is very simple, 16 multiplied by 2 integer 3/4 liters of petrol. So first you convert it. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4 liters. Here you can't do direct cancellation, you need to multiply. 16 11s are, that is 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1, 1 6 are 6, 1 1 are 1, 176 by 4. Now here it is possible to divide both the value by 4, so put division. 176 divided by 4 and 4 divided by 4. How I found? Because see, direct cancellation is possible. So divide 176 by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. So here you are getting, while dividing, you are getting 44 by 1. So dear student, it used to run 44 kilometer in 2 integer 3/4 liter of petrol. Let's do the next question. Question number 8. A. First one. Provide the number in the box such that. Now we need to find the number in the box. Very simple question. So what will come in the box? That means 2 multiply by what to get 10? So 2 5s are. And 3 multiply by what to get 30? 3 10s are. Now dear student, the simplest form of the number obtained in box means whatever the value you obtain in the box, that is 5 by 10, you have to convert it into a simplest form. Simplest form means if you have to reduce the value if it is possible. So 5 by 10, yes, it is possible to reduce. So both value, that is 5 divided by 5 and 10 divided by 5, you are getting 1 by 2. So write down your answer 1 by 2. Now same question in the next one. B. Provide the number in the box such that. So 3 multiply by what? To get 24. So 3 8s are. And 5 15s are. 5 15s are 75. Now the next question is the simplest form of the number obtained in the box. So 8 by simplest form. You have to find the simplest form of whatever the value you obtain in the box. Here not possible to reduce the value. The same value you have to write. 8 by 15.